हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम जो टॉपिक पढ़ने जा रहे हैं उसका नेम है ट्राइहेलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स। ट्राइहेलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले हमने जो टॉपिक्स इसमें पढ़े हैं मोनोहेलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स एंड डाइहेलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स, प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड यूजेस। आज हम जो टॉपिक पढ़ने जा रहे हैं उस टॉपिक का नेम है ट्राइहेलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स। Two compounds are used to trihalogen derivatives: chloroform and iodoform. Chloroform and iodoform are used to trihalogen derivatives. It is also called haloforms. Haloforms. It is also called haloforms, and it is prepared by haloform reaction. In this reaction, as following steps. Step first, in haloform reaction. Haloform reaction. Haloform reaction. Step first is haloform reaction. We use secondary alcohol to hydroxypropane or propane 2-ol. Dear students, यूज करते हैं 2-hydroxypropane और propane 2-ol, other name, and halogen compound X2. We know that 2 hydrogen atoms add halogen atom and eliminated HCl or HX, hydrogen halide. 2 HX molecule removed in this reaction, in this step, and product is formed CS3, C double bond O, CS3 mean acetone. In this reaction, in first step, alcohol react with halogen, hydrogen halide removed in this reaction, and acetone to be formed. Step second, acetone used, and acetone react with 3 molecule of halogens. Halogen atom replace hydrogen atom. 3 hydrogen atom replaced by 3 halogen atoms. Mean hydrogen halide removed 3 molecule of hydrogen halide removed in this reaction, and product is formed trihaloacetone. Halogen atom replace hydrogen atom. 3 hydrogen atom replaced by 3 halogen atoms. Main product is formed trihaloacetone, and 3 molecule of hydrogen halide removed in this step. Next step is step number 3rd. Step 3rd is CX3 COCS3 mean trihaloacetone trihaloacetone react with KOH or NaOH. React with KOH or NaOH. We write here KOH in this way and bond dissociate CH3C bond and OH bond. Product is formed CHX3 CHSX3 and CH3CWK CH3CWK mean haloform and potassium acetate. In this state, trihaloacetone react with the KOH potassium hydroxide and product is formed haloform and potassium acetate. So dear students, haloform reaction 3 steps हम इसमें कंप्लीट करते हैं एंड लास्ट स्टेप में फॉर्मेशन होता है हेलोफॉर्म का. हेलोफॉर्म के रूप में हमने देखा है कि 2 जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं उनका हम यूज करते हैं. नंबर फर्स्ट आयोडोफॉर्म एंड नंबर सेकेंड क्लोरोफॉर्म. हेलोफॉर्म्स में हम स्टडी करेंगे सबसे पहले क्लोरोफॉर्म CHCl3 क्लोरोफॉर्म. Preparation methods. Preparation methods. Number first preparation method is laboratory method. Laboratory method. Laboratory method completed in following steps. Step first. Bleaching powder CaOCl calcium oxychloride react with water and form CaOH whole twice and 2 Cl atoms. Cl atom known as nascent chlorine. Nascent chlorine, नवजात chlorine. In laboratory method, calcium oxychloride bleaching powder react with water molecule and calcium hydroxide and nascent chlorine to be formed in first step. Step second is secondary alcohol propanol or 2-propanol react with nascent chlorine. We know that Cl oxidation state -1 and hydrogen oxidation state +1. Two hydrogen atom removed and two Cl add hydrogen atoms and in the form of removed in the form of HX mean HCl. HCl molecule removed and double bond formed carbon and oxygen. CH3 double bond oxygen and CH3 acetone to be formed as a product. Acetone to be formed as a product and HX hydrogen chloride is removed in second step. Dear students, step third is acetone molecule used in third step and it is react 6 nascent chlorine atoms. 3 chlorine atoms replace hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atom add Cl 3 Cl atoms and remove 3 HCl molecules and 3 Cl atoms replace 3 hydrogen atoms and product is from CCl3 COCS3 mean trichloroacetone. Trichloroacetone. Dear student, last step of laboratory method is step number 4. Step number 4 is trichloroacetone used in this step. Trichloroacetone used in this step and react with calcium hydroxide molecule. We know that calcium hydroxide molecule form in first step and used in step number 4. Calcium hydroxide molecule. 2 molecule of trichloroacetone react with calcium hydroxide molecule and product is formed 2 chloroform molecule and calcium acetate molecule. Dear students, chloroform and calcium acetate molecule to be formed in last step. CaOH and OH written in this way, calcium hydroxide and trichloroacetone written and bond dissociate CHCl3 removed mean 2 chloroform molecule to be removed and Ca calcium CH3C double O mean acetate CH3C double O mean acetate mean calcium acetate removed in last step and product is formed chloroform. Product is formed chloroform. Number second, dear students, number second preparation method of trihalogen derivatives is from sodium hypochlorite. From sodium hypochlorite, NaOCl, NaOCl. Dear student, this reaction is completed in following steps. Number first step is two NaOH molecule react with two Cl molecule, NaOCl, sodium hypochlorite, H2O removed, and NaCl removed. Step first, NaOH react with the nascent chlorine and NaOCl, sodium hypochlorite to be formed. Sodium hypochlorite. And H2 molecule removed and NaCl removed in this step. Step number second is primary alcohol, ethanol, react with sodium hypochlorite, two molecules, and we know that product is formed. Here we are used secondary alcohol, CS3CH, OHCS3. When product is formed, CS3, C double bond O CS3 acetone, and two NaO and two hydrogen atoms. So two NaOH, two NaOH molecules, in step number third, CS3CO, CS3 molecule, acetone molecule react with 6 NaOCl, sodium hypochlorite molecules, 3 chlorine atoms removed, hydrogen, CCl3, COCS3, trichloroacetone to be formed, Cl removed, hydrogen atom, when Cl replace hydrogen atoms, and CCl3COCS3 trichloroacetone to be formed. Here we used only on 3 NaOCl sodium hypochlorite molecule, and 3 hydrogen replaced by 3 Cl atoms and 3 NaOH removed in this step. Last step, step number 4 is CCl3COCS3 mean trichloroacetone react with NaOH or KOH and bond dissociate in this way. Product is CHCl3 mean chloroform and HCWNA, CS3 CWNA. means sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. Dear students, here we used only on one NaOCl. In the second step, we used only on one sodium hypochlorite molecule. Any OH is removed, hydrogen atom removed, any OH removed in this step. Only on one NaOH removed, and one hydrogen and one Cl, HCl also removed in this step. So, second reaction of sodium hypochlorite. Step first is NaOH react with nascent chlorine and to be formed sodium hypochlorite molecule, and second step sodium hypochlorite molecule react with secondary alcohol and remove NaOH molecule in HCl and to be formed acetone molecule. Acetone molecule react with 3 molecule of NaOCl sodium hypochlorite and to be formed trichloroacetone molecule. And last step trichloroacetone react with NaOH or KOH and chloroform to be formed in last step. ठीक है, इसके बाद डियर स्टूडेंट्स हम टोटल थर्ड रिएक्शन की बात करते हैं. Reaction number third to preparation of trihalogen derivatives. Reaction number third from chloral hydrate. From chloral hydrate. From chloral hydrate. Chloral hydrate से हम कैसे इसका प्रिपरेशन करेंगे, क्लोरोफॉर्म का प्रिपरेशन करेंगे. फॉर्मूला ऑफ क्लोरल हाइड्रेट इज CCl3 CHOH and OH. Chloral hydrate. In this reaction, chloroform is formed in pure form. React with NaOH, aqueous NaOH. Chloral hydrate hydrolyze with aqueous NaOH and chloroform to be formed in this reaction. Chloroform formed in pure form in this reaction. HONe means sodium hydroxide. Bond dissociate in this way. CHCl3 means chloroform formed, and other product HC and H2O removed, and HCWNA mean H2O and HCWNA mean sodium formate also removed in this reaction. Chloroform formed in pure form in this reaction. So dear students, number 4 reaction to preparation of trihalogen derivatives is from CCl4. From CCl4. CCl4 positive 2H, Fe positive H2O. CCl4 partially reduced in chloroform by FeH2O catalyst. CCl4 partially reduced into chloroform by FeH2O catalyst. Last reaction to preparation of trihalogen derivatives is number 5, chlorination of methane. Last reaction is chlorination of methane. CH4 positive Cl2 in the presence of light. We know that hydrogen replaces halogen atom and product is formed methyl chloride and HCl removed. And second step, CH3Cl positive Cl2 in light and hydrogen removed by Cl atom and product is formed CH2Cl2 positive as Cl. Next step, CH2Cl2 positive Cl2 and light hydrogen removed Cl atom and product is formed chloroform positive as Cl. And the last step, chloroform react with Cl2 and light CCl4 is formed and HCl removed. In this reaction, product CH3Cl positive CH2Cl2 positive chloroform and positive CCl4 is formed as a mixture. मिक्सचर के रूप में ये फॉर्म होते हैं एंड क्लोरोफॉर्म को डिस्टिलेशन से इसमें आइसोलेट किया जाता है. मीन chlorination of CH4 product is formed in 4 steps. Number first step, CH3Cl methyl chloride is formed. Number second, methylene chloride. Number third, chloroform. And number 4, CCl4, and product is formed as mixture CH3Cl, CH2Cl2, CH3 and CCl4 and CHCl3 isolate by distillation. So preparation methods of trihalogen derivatives is complete, and next topic we are studied in next day. Thank you so much. Dear students, आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जा रहा है. आपके फेयर रफ कॉपी में आप इसको करके इसके बाद में आंसर को आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करके आपको बताना है. क्वेश्चन है आज का आपको, वाई chloroform in pure form not react with AgNO3 or not give white precipitation of HCl. आज के क्वेश्चन डियर स्टूडेंट्स आपके लिए हैं, वाई क्लोरोफॉर्म इन प्योर फॉर्म नॉट रिएक्ट विद AgNO3 और नॉट गिव वाइट पीपीटी ऑफ HCl. थैंक यू.